मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि wearing a watch is like wearing your personality on your wrist. यही एक piece of tech है that you can actually have on you at all times. फोन कभी कभी तो आप छोड़ ही देते हैं ना. Now it doesn't matter if that is an analog watch or a smart watch. लेकिन स्मार्ट वॉचेस की एक प्रॉब्लम बताऊं, स्पेशली इन टर्म्स ऑफ लुक्स ऑन योर रिस्ट. फर्स्ट, दे नॉट रियली द बेस्ट लुकिंग वंस, एंड सेकंड काफी जेनेरिक हो जाते हैं ना. दे ऑल लुक ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. हाउ डू यू मेक योर पर्सनैलिटी डिफरेंट? विच इज वाई जब ट्रेडिशनल वॉच मेकर्स दे आर एंटरिंग इनटू द फ्रे ऑफ स्मार्ट वॉचेस, आई वाज रियली रियली हैप्पी. They get what people want from a smartwatch. They know what people want from something on their wrist. And I think they also know what to put, which is really smart, and what is a total gimmick. And I think Titan has landed a big punch in that department. ये है हमारे पास Titan की smart watch that combines beauty जो legacy watches है from the good old days and the functionality of a truly cutting edge modern day smartwatch. Accuracy जो आती है from precise sensors and a price that will make your wrist and your bank balance very very happy. But सवाल ये है, इतनी सारी स्मार्ट वॉच प्लेयर्स इन द मार्केट, hundreds and hundreds of more smart watches. Is this the smart watch to buy? उन सभी सवालों का जवाब होगा answered in the next few seconds. Now before I dive in, पूरा का पूरा रिव्यू और टेस्ट करेंगे इस वॉच को, and I'll tell you all about my adventures. Here's what the unboxing experience is for the Titan Smart. अब डब्बा खोलते हैं and you'll see the Titan branding. Welcome to Titan's Smart World. So far so good. Let's see इसके अंदर क्या है. अब राइट हैंड साइड में उन्होंने वॉच का डायल दिया, which feels very premium in the hand. It's made out of metals, feels and looks solid, yet it's very very light to hold. Silicone straps हैं on the left hand side. These can easily be installed easily and can be replaced also easily. You can also get other colors. USB charging cable है with a proprietary connector. कुछ additional paperwork है and some information about the watch. एक QR code भी है for the mobile app to help you get started. So things are easy, great unboxing, pretty premium for a smartwatch at this price. अब बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं that this is the best smartwatch under 10,000 rupees. हाँ, प्राइस इसकी बहुत ही अच्छी है, 8,995, which is absolutely fantastic. But let's see, does it manage to be the absolute best at this price? क्योंकि competition बहुत है. Let's start off with the design. Arguably, I think सबसे बड़ा deciding factor about a smartwatch सबसे पहले होना चाहिए, it should look good. You don't want to wear something shabby on your wrist at all times. Needs to look premium. You should feel good कि आपने कुछ अच्छा पहना हुआ है. Should also not look like every other smartwatch in the market. यहाँ पे है where Titan is actually hitting the nail on the head. Watch dial is made out of aluminium, looks and feels very premium. And despite the size, बहुत ही light है, it weighs just 48.2 grams. And the design language totally different from all the other generic ones that are out there. अब चलते हैं towards the display. Most important component of a smartwatch is the screen. Smart device है and Titan has got this right also. 1.32 inch का TFT display है, which looks beautiful. Lot of sheen and premiumness in the Titan Smart. 360 by 360 resolution है, gets pretty bright indoors also. Outdoors also works well. काफी responsive है, scrolling feels very smooth, not at all jarring. अब चलते हैं towards the features. ये है the real meat of things when you actually want to buy a smartwatch, the actual features. I think the biggest one is Alexa is built in. मैं demonstrate करता हूँ आपको how well this works.
Alexa, how are you? Alexa, how to make hak noodles?
Okay, that was pretty impressive, but that's not it. हमने तो दो तीन चीजें ही try की. You can even ask Alexa to do things like book a cab for you या कोई recipe while you're cooking. So lots of good functionality out there. You're using your wrist to the best ability. साथ में इन्होंने multi-sport tracking दी है. इन्होंने you can track metrics for 14 different sports using the watch. It can even measure your stress for you. There's of course sleep tracking and heart monitoring also, SpO2 monitoring also, and for women there's even period tracking on the Titan Smart. But ये देखिए, ये जो features हैं, some watches have them, some don't have it, but there are others who have it. What's the biggest thing to expect? What's extra in the Titan Smart? Titan Smart में है एक sensor, a metric for VO2 max. ये बहुत important है. ये maximum oxygen uptake को actually read करता है by our bodies. जब physical activities हैं, very intense activities like running or sprinting, this gives you your VO2 max. ये complete fitness powerhouse है on your wrist. अब देखिए, it's a smartwatch, so it's a given functionality कि आपको notification मिलेंगी, music control मिलेगा, play pause of songs मिलेगा. You also get camera control, so the watch acts as a shutter button. Perfect for group shots where you can just adjust the phone at a distance and then just do this. One great thing Titan Smart जो है which also has hydration alerts, यानी कि we're also very busy with our work. We usually forget to drink water. ये actually काफी बड़ी problem है. You can set the Titan Smart to actually give you periodic reminders. Also, usually you need a third party app ये सब करने के लिए, but इसमें it is actually built into the watch. So nice touch Titan. The most important part is जो हम लोग ने try किया, सारे के सारे sensors are very very accurate. ये बहुत critical है ना स्मार्ट वॉच. After all, जितना data आपको मिल रहा है is garbage in, garbage out if the data itself is bad. So while the watch can track so many different metrics, app भी इसका जो है is really really nicely done. बहुत interesting nice UI है. You can swipe through different menus. You get a complete overview of your overall health and fitness data. You can change the watch face from the app. 100 watch faces plus and that you can choose from. You can completely customize the Titan Smart and truly make it your own. Now let's come down to one of the most critical parts, battery. One of the biggest problems with all smartwatches is the battery. Most of them cannot get through a day. Some can get through 2 or 3 days. Titan Smart 14 दिन की बैटरी लाइफ है. This is good. And if you use all the sensors for running and everything else, you will still get, we got 8 days of battery life minimum. So verdict क्या है? I think great features, wow factor बहुत अच्छा है, good looks हैं, different from everybody else, very good build, nice metal build. I started off in the beginning that people are claiming that this is the best smartwatch under 10,000 rupees. I think Titan is almost there. Definitely very high on that list. तो अगर आप सोच रहे थे कि न्यू ईयर आ गया है, मेरे फिटनेस गोल्स हैं, I'm not being able to keep to it, snap up this one, it'll keep you right there. Don't wait, I have a feeling ये जो watch है, it's going to fly off the shelf. देखिए, that's just the start of the year. A lot of other exciting products are going to be coming in 2022. So subscribe to Tech Magnified because here is where all the good things are reviewed. I'll see you next time.